Every variable that you create in Python holds a value, but here's the catch, not all data are the same. Before you start with AI, ML or whatever, you need to understand what is data types, and that is absolutely essential. Data types decide how your information is stored, processed and manipulated inside your program. In Python, every value is an object and its type defines its behavior. Let's break them down. The first is a numeric data type. So here we have int, float, and complex. So int is basically used for whole numbers, for counting, looping, indices, and then you have float for decimal values. So this is basically used when precision matters. And next you have complex. Complex is basically for imaginary values. For example, let's take mathematical modeling, signal processing, for such stuff. Next is sequence types, and these represent ordered collection of data. String, list, and tuple. String is anything that is enclosed in quotes, single or double, doesn't matter. And then next is list. List is the ordered set of data within square brackets. And the next is tuple. Tuple looks very similar to a list, but this is enclosed in parentheses. And the key difference? Tuple is immutable, whereas list is mutable. You can edit it whenever you want and however you want. You can add, remove, or alter data. And this is one of the most powerful and flexible data types in Python. And then tuple is way faster and used when data you want should stay constant, for example, like fixed parameters or coordinates. Mapping data type, dict or dictionary. This is one of the most used data types in Python, and it stores data in key value pairs like this. And here you can access the value by using their key. In data science, dictionary is used for configuration files or feature mapping. Boolean data type. This represents only two possible values, true or false. This is the foundation of every condition, every comparison and decision Python makes. Every if statement, every loop condition runs on Boolean data type. Set data type. This represents an unordered collection of unique elements. For example, like this. This automatically removes duplicates and is extremely useful for data cleaning. And that is Python's data types. This is something that keeps your code organized and logical. Every data set that you'll ever have to work with, text, numbers, booleans, doesn't matter, anything, it has to come under one of these categories, and master this and you'll never have to be confused about how your machine reads your data. In the next video, we'll explore about how Python acts on these data types through operators, the brain behind every calculation. Follow along.